Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading Freedom Soup by Tami. Freedom Soup. Today is New Year's Day. This year I get to help make freedom soup. Tigran says I got a heart made for cooking, and it's time I learn how. Outside, snow is pilly, cottony thick. Inside, warm, sweet air flows. Hatia Kompa pours through the speakers. The shake of matras vibrate down to my toes. Tigran's feet tap to the rhythm. We pause our dancing, and Tigran says, "First, Billy, is the hips." She placed the pilot between my knees. Click, crack, click, clack. Today we mash the garlicky herbs to the compat beat. Then we add it to our meat and let it rest. Next is your favorite, the pumpkin. Tigran smiles and pulls out the boiling water. Ribbons of steam danced up to the ceiling. She lets me peel a pumpkin. The skin melts off like butter. Then Tigran browns the meat in a new pot and gathers the rest of the ingredients: pumpkin, herbs, potatoes, carrots, cabbage, and celery. "Your turn," she says. One by one, I slide down the ingredients into the bubbling liquid. The pumpkin-y garlic smell swirls all around us. Now, why do they call it freedom soup? Tigran asked. Because it's free? It's the same answer I always give. Tigran's laughed heard loud. Belly deep laugh. "Oh, Billy. Nothing in this world is free, not even freedom." She begins to tell a story, the same one she tells every year, a story of the place she was born, Hati. Long ago, my country was a land of sugarcane and coffee fields, and my people were slaves, working under the fiery sun, growing vegetables, making soups for their masters, soup they were never allowed to eat themselves. Freedom soup was the only free. No soup for New Year's? My face feels hot. And then what happened? I ask. Years passed. The slaves' hands were tied, spirits shattered, blood shed, freedom stolen, pride gone. Enough was enough. It was the time to fight back and win back this freedom. The trumpet blew. I hear it, Tigran. The revolution is here. The compat beats drums through my skins. I see them, the fire dancing in their eyes as they fight to take back what's theirs. I see the colors of freedom, the tan streak of print, covered in broken black chains, needles of hot yellow soup, a sweety pumpkin garlic aroma filling the air. I see Tigran's people, my people, eating soup to celebrate the end of slavery, eating soup to celebrate the start of freedom. We clap our hands and sing to the sky. Hati is free! Freedom soup for everyone! Tigran has lowered the flame while I throw in the pasta. My grandmother taught this tradition to my man, who taught it to me. I taught it to your mother, and I'll teach it my children one day. Tigran's dark eyes smile as we rest in the living room, and she pulls me in real close. And they share it with everyone who will come after. The pumpkin garlic smell scent the air as cousins, uncles, and aunts arrive at the dance. We share stories of Tigran's Faroe Island. They taste freedom again and again and again. "What a lovely soup you made, Billy," they said. I puffed out my shoulders wider than the Hattian's mountains. Stand so tall I can almost touch the moon. All around, just like my family, people gather and share. In our house, we celebrate until the last drop of soup is gone. Thank you for listening to this book. I hope you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.